Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So today we are going to analyze the Nifty Bank chart because it is very important because Nifty Bank is at its record trading at its record high, and we are going to discuss important GDP update, GDP data, and along with that important information about the stock market. So to know the Nifty Bank levels and important stock market update, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices levels update. So, as you all know, first of all, the very, very good news for the India, and I want to share that news also. But before that, I want to mention that I have made the stock in news video for the CAMS because CAM is going to give the stock split in next week, and record date and ratio and everything is there in the video. I'll share that video in I button just now, and you can see and go through all the information and update because you should be aware before the record date and everything. So please watch that video. I'm giving on the in the link. Now, important update, which is the good news, thumbs up for India. That is India's GDP Q2 GDP data, which came yesterday on Friday only, and India's GDP means gross domestic product. So India's Q2 GDP is just quickened to 8.2%, means it has touched to 8.2% in the second quarter Q2 for FY 2026, and which is up from 5.6% in the same quarter last year. Means I am comparing y on y, year on year. So last year it was 5.6% our GDP data. Last year same for the same quarter 5.6%. Say now it has become the 8.2%. You can see the jump of our GDP data. Actually, we can say forecast and all estimate it was 7 to 7.3% ke around tha projection, and even the RBI has projected for the 7%. So 7% से 7.3% का estimate था. Even the GDP data, it has also beaten the estimate, beaten the 7 and 7.3% and reached to 8.2%. The main reason can be the GST. Government has cut the GST rate last means this September 2022. So 2022 September was the commencement of the GST rate cuts. So this is also one can be one reason. And for the GDP growth, so GDP has just I can say the strong GDP momentum for the India, and this is showing our India's growth. So I have discussed the last year data also, so you can compare what all happened. This news can give a very good up move to our Indian stock market for the next week, which I will analyze in the chart in detail. Even for the Nifty 50 also, I'm going to share the video tomorrow on Sunday, where you can check. Even Nifty 50 is also trading at its all time high. It has even also it has touched the record high in Nifty 50, Sensex also, and for the Nifty Bank of course. So I will share in detail the Nifty 50 chart also, which is very important to know that what level can be the next for the Nifty 50 also, in Nifty Bank also. We are already touching the record high in our important indices, and this GDP growth data will give it a means boost. So let's understand in detail. I have taken today the weekly chart so that I can show the long term scenario and can show you what can be the next level. As you all know, I will my in my all last videos since few weeks I am discussing the important level of 60,000. I'm many time I am discussing that if this level will be broken by Nifty Bank, the 60,000 is imminent. You can check my all video, last few videos at least. And now what happened, you can see yesterday means on Friday only, this our Nifty Bank almost tried to touch the 60,000. I will share the important level was the 59,900. 59,900 already the Nifty Bank has touched, and 60,000 so is on card only. Now we have to watch the 60,000, which Nifty Bank already actually claiming, and 60,000 के बाद क्या होगा, that we are going to discuss. So अभी के लिए you can see I have drawn this important trend line. You can see here, this is a weekly chart. Here once resistance, and here, and then again here, and then again Nifty Bank is at level of the resistance, which is 60,000, around 60,000 तो इसने almost touch कर ही लिया है. तो we need to watch the 60,000. I feel as the GDP data has come, it may be gap up also. It may open on 60,000 around and may go up. It is one possibility. The second possibility also, we cannot deny that it may take resistance around 60,000 and then again come back to this breakout level or retest level. ये भी possible है. These two things is means very possible. यहाँ पे I have drawn this trend line. You can see this line, which is here. This was resistance. This line I can say यहाँ पे it has given a breakout on this day. I can say 13th October. 13th October से एक महीने तक this was consolidating in this important zone. I can say ये triangle जैसा एक structure formation बन रहा है. Here it was taking the support very nicely and very accurately. You can say it was taking support, and this level 57 400 around, I can say. Yes, 57 400 के आसपास है, roughly I can say 400 to 500. Nifty Bank is taking support. This I can say can be a crucial support for the Nifty Bank for the next week if it's not breaking this resistance trend line and going upside and giving a good breakout. If it is breaking out and giving a closing above this line, we can say a new breakout Nifty Bank has taken, because it is already at its record high, all time all life high. So this is already the Nifty Bank trading at all time high, and if it's taking resistance and going down, this can be a crucial level of 57,400 around. Below this, the 20 EMA, 20 week EMA already is there, existing 56,500, I can say, roughly 56,500. Yes. सो ये लेवल हम बाद में चेक करेंगे. इफ इट्स ब्रेकिंग दिस 56,400 और 500, आई कैन से, देन यू कैन चेक दिस 20 EMA level. So earlier you have to check this 57,400 and then 57,000 56,500. Okay. Yeah, agar you, if you want for your convenience, you can say 57,500 to 56,500. Okay, so that will be like very easy to remember. ये दो लेवल का जोन, एक सपोर्ट जोन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो कि बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग भी है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. एंड 60,000 का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस है, विच निफ्टी बैंक हैज़ टू ब्रेक टू गो अप. 60,000 ब्रेक हो गया, देन वी कैन डिस्कस द above level. But abhi I am not going beyond that because it has still not closed above the this trend line. So I need to watch. I will definitely update if it's breaking and going up. I will definitely update that 60,000 के बाद what is the next. So 60,000 के बाद I will definitely update about this level. But let it first break the 60,000. Now I have discussed in detail what was all happening since long term I am discussing, long week. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 week I have discussed. Means I can say more than 1 month, 1 month, 1.5 month. The Nifty Bank was trading in this zone, then again given a breakout, and then again at record high. I am expecting the good movement from the Nifty Bank next week. So let's watch what is happening. I have discussed the GDP data also, which is actually good, and the CAMS video I have shared. I'll mention the Nifty Bank level. Important support 57,500, and then 56,500. An important resistance is of course 60,000, and breaking 60,000 will take a good upside, will give a good breakout also. Like and share this video with your friends so that they can also be aware with the important levels and important stock in news videos and everything. And subscribe the channel also for stock market update and indices weekly levels update. Signing off.